Hey, we have an iKamper and we got the anti-theft locks to put on just in case for when we're parked outside for long extended periods of time. This is what they look like. They come with 8 of these, but I just have 2 here to show. Easy, great locks, big holds to unlock. They come apart. They don't come with instructions. So these black pads are to put on your brackets just so it's not metal on metal, and they just squeeze on a little tighter. That's what they're for. With the anti-theft lock system, you use the same brackets that come with your iKamper, the one that on top with the bolts that are showing the screws, and you need to make it the width of your lock system, not the width of your arm. It is a lot wider likely, and you slide in that bracket as your instructions show. You can see it's wider. Then you're going to use the bracket that it comes with the locks on it, and use the black pads if you want to stop it from being metal on metal and getting a tighter seal. We are almost done. So originally tracking's in here, screws down. We've got the anti-lock bracket with the lock part, the bolt underneath that's holding it down, and then I still have to tighten it. Then you're going to put your other bracket underneath. Your bolt is locked between the 2 brackets. You're gonna lock it up and ready to roll.